Halloween is literally right around the corner, and if you're selling on Etsy, now's the time to start posting your Halloween items so you can catch the wave of sales. One item that's trending like crazy right now is Labubu merchandise, especially Halloween t-shirts for adults and kids. In fact, these Labubu Halloween tees are some of the top selling graphic shirts on Etsy right now. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create your own custom Labubu Halloween t-shirt using Nano Banana and Canva and get it ready to list on Etsy. It's simple, it's fun, and you can start selling right away. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump straight into it. First, you want to head over to Canva and create a new blank canvas. Set the canvas size to 3,951 by 4,919 and hit create. Next, head over to Google Nano Banana. I'm going to upload the two photos I want in order to create my design. I'll tell it to merge the two photos together by the face, then hit generate to see what it gives me. Okay, so that's not exactly what I was going for, so I'm going to change up the prompt a little bit to get the results I want. This time, I'll tell it to merge the two faces together half and half. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright, that looks pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted, but it still has the basket and the brown ear. So I'm going to ask Nano Banana to remove both of those items. Perfect, it went ahead and removed them, and now it looks exactly how I want it. Now I'm going to upload each of my Labubu pictures and merge them together just like I did with this photo. Once I have all of my images merged and looking good, I'll upload them into Canva. From there, I'll remove the backgrounds and touch up the photos so they look clean and ready to go on my t-shirt. Next, I want to add the friend's text onto the design, so I'll add that in, remove the background, and adjust it. Now that my design is all done, I'm going to download it as a PNG with the transparent background so I can upload it onto my mockup and t-shirt to sell on Etsy. Now I'll head over to Pinterest and find a mockup that looks good for my design. I'll type in women's t-shirt mockups and see what I can find. Alright, this one looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and download it. I just want to find one more. Okay, I like this one too, so I'll download it as well. Now I'll head back over to Nano Banana. I'm going to upload my mockups and my design, then give it a prompt to add the design onto the t-shirt. I'll hit generate, and nice, that looks really good. I'll do the second mockup now. Perfect, I like both of those. I'll use them as my Etsy mockups to make my listing look more appealing. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create t-shirt designs using Canva and Nano Banana. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, definitely check out my Canva crash course and my Nano Banana guide if you want to learn more about creating with these tools. I'll link them in the description for you. See you in the next video.